Everything's a Coincidence, episode 23. Now, today we have Young Thug. Yesterday, I know it says 3 hours. That's at the time that I took the screenshot. But yesterday, April 19th, Young Thug made this post on Instagram. I guess he's foreshadowing his new album that's coming. And, coincidentally, he has blood covered all over him, right? And he did this a month after his baby mother was killed, right? So let's dive into it, right? Because everything's a coincidence. So let's look into this coincidence, right? Coincidentally, Young Thug made this post. He dropped this post. Hold on. First, let's go back because I gotta catch y'all up to speed. And peep how he's wearing the red and black in the picture that they tell you that Young Thug's mother, the mother of Young Thug's son, shot and killed, right? That blood sacrifice, those blood sacrifice colors, that red and black, and he has the hair blonde for the MK ritual, right? But let's not get into too deep with all these things, right? March 17th was the day that his baby mother was killed, right? So coincidentally, Young Thug dropped this picture with the blood all over him. 33 days after his baby mother was killed, Young Thug dropped this picture, right? 33 days. What a coinkydink, right? Young Thug also equals 33 in reverse full reduction, right? Everything these people do is by the numbers. You're not slick. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna find you and I'm gonna tell the world what's going on with you, right? Young Thug, even his first name Jeffrey, right? Jeffrey equals 33 in that same exact cipher, reverse full reduction, 33, just like Young Thug. So like I said, man, everything these people do is by the numbers, right? March 17th, the day his baby mother died, right? March 17th equals 33 as well. Full reduction, reverse full reduction, forwards and backwards. That's all we doing is taking the English language forwards and backwards to figure these people out, right? That post was his 43rd post. That picture that he posted, his baby mama, or excuse me, his body covered in blood, which is also now his profile picture. But that post was his 43rd post, right? Just like killing in March 17, 2022, we get the number 43. Like I said, you're not gonna get nothing past me, Young Thug. I'm on your ass. You hear me? So he got this picture, right? He got this picture with himself covered in blood, right? Just like every other artist in the industry, right? Covering themselves in blood. This is DMX right here. This is one of the most famous pictures next to Eminem, referring to that bathtub, that blood ritual when these people cover themselves in blood. This is a mockery of real baptism, right? Real baptism, you would be covered in water, right? But they cover themselves in blood, right? Resembling that rebirth, that reborn, that revival. So when these rappers start talking about how they've been reborn and how they've been rebirthed, this is what they're telling you. They're synchronizing dying. If y'all remember 6ix9ine video, remember that girl dunked his head and said all you have to do is die. That's what they symbolizing. They're symbolizing the death and the rebirth of themselves, the death of that old person that wasn't a part of the brotherhood. You have to kill that person. You have to kill that regular person. Now you are one with the brotherhood when you're reborn. That's what these people are symbolizing when they do that, right? Y'all watch the movie Starry Eyes. It shows it down to the T. I have a breakdown of it. If you don't want to watch the whole movie, I got a breakdown of it on my main channel. Just type in "this movie exposes blood sacrifices," all just scroll, you'll see it, right? Rihanna, same thing, covered in blood. They letting you know how they get down. 21 Savage, Post Malone. Don't think it's the motherfuckers that look like they from the streets. And bro, niggas from the streets are more prone to do this shit because they trying to get out of their predicament. They trying to get out of that environment, right? They don't believe enough in themselves that they can make it without doing this bull ass shit, right? Adam Levine and his wife are doing what in blood? They sitting here, they butt ass naked in his blood, sitting there twirling around, kissing each other in the mouth. This is how these people get down, man. These people are sick, man. They twisted. They do whatever they gotta do. They do whatever that needs to be done, right? And I don't want to put DMX in the same. I gotta give him his credit though, because he did turn around and try to turn his life around, right? And that's why he ended up losing his life in his physical realm, right? Because he tried to turn around and turn back to God after everything that he did. So I have to give him credit out of all the rest of this bundle of people, right? Even Logic, right? Actions speak louder than words. These folks can tell you whatever they want to tell you out their mouth, but your actions speak louder than words. You giving me the same symbolism as every other artist, so how could I believe that you're any different? SZA in her music video Hit Different, naked with the blood covering her body. These people took the blood oath. They making blood sacrifices. They sacrificing goats, animals, whatever they have to do. People, babies. Hope I ain't say too much on this little video right here. Hope it don't get limited or whatever. But anyway, it is what it is. Now, on March 9th, right? March 9th. Remember, his baby mother died March 17th, right? So March 9th, a week prior to his baby mother passing away, this was his post, right? This was his post, right? He doing the as above, so below, just like Baphomet. He has the upside down cross. Peep the angle that they're taking these pictures in. With that cross on their fingers. The cross is upside down, right? In all the angles that they're taking these pictures, right? Same thing. Now, he did not make a post at all when his baby mother died. This is his first post prior or after his baby mother died. This is his first post coming back to Instagram after such a tragedy. And this is your first post covering yourself with blood. I'm thinking you trying to tell us that's her blood that's covered on your body. I'm just saying. Mother of Young Thug's son shot and killed, right? And I don't mean literally, but figuratively, right? Figuratively, that blood is it's on him. Her blood is on his hands. It's on his body, right? Because we know what happens in Hollywood, right? That sacrifice has to be made. So this is what he's showing you right here subliminally, that blood is on him. This is his first post after his baby mother died. You got March 9th, and then you got April 19th, 21 hours ago, right? These people they tell you how they get down. You just have to pay attention. It's not that hard. Mother of Young Thug's son shot and killed. So now we on this article right here. Now we gonna break this article down by the numbers. Shot and killed, right? LaKevia Jackson, that was his baby mother. So LaKevia Jackson shot and killed, right? Shot and killed, LaKevia Jackson, same numerology, right? Bowling ball. Then they said she died over a bowling ball. Like, they just be making up shit now. Like, I've never seen somebody like get so mad over a bowling ball. Like, it's like 7 bowling balls on that little rack, bro. Just grab another bowling ball. Like, this is the shit that they just tell you. It's just so like, it's just so stupid, the shit they tell you sometimes. Like, bowling ball, but this is why they chose that though. Bowling ball and sacrifice, we get the same numerology. So they're making up the story to fit the numerology, right? Once again, LaKevia Jackson. LaKevia Jackson equals 44 in full reduction. And we seen that with the last video, that 44, they use this number 44 a lot in sacrifices, right? They use the number 9, 44, and 33. You know what I'm saying? All these ritualistic numbers, right? Young Thug's birthday, August 16th, 1991, also equals 44, as well as Georgia, where he was born and where his baby mother died, right? Georgia equals 44 in that same cipher. Same cipher. Now this post, which was April 19th equals 44. Jackson, her last name, and Young Thug's birthday, once again, 44 in the same cipher, reverse full reduction. We getting the full reduction, reverse full reduction, right? Reverse full reduction. Once again, LaKevia Jackson, 91. We get 91. Mother of Young Thug's son, right? Mother of Young Thug's son, which is LaKevia Jackson, equals 91, right? 91. They shared a teenage son. Teenage son equals 105 and 48. Just like Young Thug, 105 and 48. Like I said, man, these people, they do this shit by the numbers every time. It's not hard to figure these people out. Jeffrey, his real name, and March 17, 2022, the day his baby mother died, 39. April 19th, in full reduction, 39, the day he came back to post this mockery picture that I don't know how people don't get it. These have to be bought. These have to be bots in these comments, but these are verified. So you already know they just going along with it. They know what's going on. But these regular people that they boosting up these people comments, man, he can't be real people, bro. But some of them are real people that don't get it. How do you not get this? This was his first post since she died. How do you not get the connection? But this is people that don't want to see the world for what it really is, man. They don't want to see these people for who they really is, man. They don't. It is ridiculous, bro. All this shit, man. Jeffrey Lamar Williams, his whole name equals 322, just like Skull and Bones. That other secret society. Well, society with secrets, should I say. His baby mama was shot and killed in Atlanta, right? Atlanta, Georgia, 37, just like March 17th, the day that she died, 37. It's like different ciphers, same numbers. The fatal shooting, right? They use these numbers, they use these phrases to fit the numbers, right? And the shooting, the killing, you know, they didn't use these words for a reason. They used the fatal shooting. The fatal shooting, and Jeffrey Lamar, his first and middle name, the same exact numerology. And I'm supposed to think that this shit is just random, right? That's what I'm supposed to think. After seeing all this, I'm supposed to still just think that this was just a random act. But this is how they want you to think, though. Georgia shooting, LaKevia Jackson, all 44 once again. And it happened at the Metro Fun Center, right? Metro Fun Center equals 69, just like Jeffrey Lamar and fatal shooting. Forward, backwards. That's all we doing here. Once again, Metro Fun Center in the Jesuit order. This was another Jesuit hit. This was another Jesuit function, another Jesuit event, a Jesuit orchestrated event. This is who they sacrificed these people for. This is their daddy. The Jesuit order is their daddy. That's who they bow down to. This is where they get all the instructions from. These ain't no real stand-up men. These niggas follow instructions like a hoe to a pimp. Order of Illuminati 201. Right? Just like the Jesuit Order 201 and Metro Fun Center 201. Now, Jackson, her last name, Jackson, right? Met Jeffrey Lamar Williams before he gained fame as Young Thug. Jackson equal 73, just like Sacrifice. Also, Jackson equals 19, just like the day Young Thug made this post on April 19, right? 33 days after she died, which Young Thug equals 33. It's all connected, man. It's all connected, right? Thug was in Austin performing at Billboard's South by Southwest concert series. So at the night of the shooting, that's where Young Thug was. He was in Austin, Texas. Austin, Texas equals 144 and 72. Just like August 16th, 1991, Young Thug's birthday, right? Billboard's South by Southwest. Billboard South by Southwest, LaKevia Jackson and mother of Young Thug's son equal 91. And it's crazy because Young Thug was born in the year 91, right? So like I said, man, all this shit is by the numbers, right? So let me know what you think about this video, man. Appreciate all the love, all the support, and I'm out.